I'm passing the phone to someone, singer like me.
I'm passing this phone to someone na madaray.
I'm passing this phone to someone na iyakin.
I'm passing this phone to someone na pinakamaingay sa class.
I'm passing this phone sa pinakamaganda na kilala ko.
I'm passing this phone to someone super pretty.
I'm passing this phone to someone na maingay.
Passing this phone sa managalit na katulad mo. I'm passing this phone to someone na madaldal. I'm passing this phone to someone maganda.
I'm passing this phone to someone na maganda, mabait, masipag, matyaga, matulungin. Halos lahat na sa kanya. Perfect na siya para sa akin. Charot.
I'm passing this phone to someone na pasimuno ng trend na to.
I'm passing this phone to someone na mabait, maganda, bahala na siya.
I'm passing this phone to someone na laging seryoso.
I'm passing this phone to someone na bebe ni Giselle.
I'm passing this phone to someone who can sing.
I'm passing this phone sa Pogi. Ay, nasa akin na pala. So,